You know, I'm tired of everything. People, work, myself. Everything just feels heavy.
Meow, bro. You just take everything too close to heart. Your heart's not made of rubber, but you let everyone in.
But how else? I just want things to be right, fair.
Fair. Ha! The world's just a giant sandbox. Everyone's digging holes and pretending they're building castles. Forget it.
Easy for you to say. You don't care about anything.
I just realized, if you stress about everything, your fur will fall out. And without fur, who am I? A retired sphinx.
So you don't worry about anything at all.
I just live, sleep, eat, purr, walk around.
Hmm. I guess it's time to give myself a break.
That's more like it. Lie down, soak up the sun, and forget the rest.